Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shafiq. So in the previous video we talked about the several instances under which an individual can have a travel ban placed against them. So today we will be discussing how you can find out whether you have a travel ban placed against you by the UAE authorities. If this is what you want to know, kindly stick around and let's get started. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shafiq. So in the previous video we talked about the several instances, the several reasons as to why an individual may have a travel ban placed against them. If you did not watch that video, I'll leave a link in the description. Kindly check it out and watch it. There are a number of reasons for why an individual may have a travel ban placed against them by the UAE authorities, as we discussed in that video. It is important, if you are planning your next travel, either back home or into the UAE, it is important you check and find out that you do not have any travel ban placed against you. A travel ban restricts an individual from entering, re-entering or exiting a country at any given point in time. So in the United Arab Emirates, like we discussed in the previous video, a travel ban can be placed on an individual to restricting them from either exiting, entering the UAE or re-entering. Some of the reasons, as we discussed in the previous video, are absconding cases, people having financial defaulting cases, people failing to pay their rent, and a number of other issues. So today I'm here to talk about how you can check and find out whether you have a travel ban placed against you by the UAE. Many people go to the visa issuing centers in their respective countries but have their visas denied, and they cannot find out why and what is the reason as to why their visas have been denied. So today, depending on the emirate where your travel ban was placed or where your travel ban was issued, the different ways of how to check whether you have a travel ban imposed against you will depend on the issuing. If your visa was issued in Dubai, that means that the travel ban will also be issued by Dubai authorities. That is the Dubai courts or the administrative authorities in Dubai. If your visa was issued in Abu Dhabi or other Emirates, that means that the travel ban will also be placed or issued by authorities in Abu Dhabi or other Emirates. So the different ways of how you can check depend on where your visa was issued or where your travel ban was issued. The travel ban will restrict you from either exiting the UAE, entering the UAE, or re-entering. After probably you have been deported, you cannot come back to the UAE. So if your visa was issued or if your ban was issued in Dubai, there are 4 ways that you can check and know whether you have a travel ban placed against you or not. These have been issued by the Dubai authorities. The number 1 way you can know is by visiting a police station in Dubai to make an in-person inquiry. You go to the police station in person to inquire if you have any criminal complaint that has been filed against you, either financial case or any other case. You go to the Dubai police in person and inquire. It is important before you plan your travel back home or you book your next flight home, you sort out all those issues and any complaints that you may have at the immigration centers and avoid being delayed at the immigration, because it may cost you money and you will have lost or you will have missed your flight. So the number 1 way is by visiting a police station in Dubai and making an in-person inquiry. You will be notified whether or not you have a travel ban placed against you. The other way, the second way, is by making a call. You make a call to the call center. Make a phone call and provide a number of details. They'll ask you for your passport number and any other details. You call direct contact. You will contact the Emirate Center, which is the immigration center in Dubai, on the numbers 8005111. That is a toll-free number that you will call, and you will inquire on whether you have a travel ban or not before you book your next flight back home. They will ask you for a number of documents. When you provide them, they will provide you with the result. The people who are overseas or the people who are abroad and you would like to know whether you have a travel ban placed against you, you can call the number that is +9714 313 9999 49s. I'll leave all this information in the description of the video. That is the second. The third way is by hiring a lawyer. Remember, this is still Dubai. If the ban was issued by Dubai authorities, you are probably outside the country or you are inside UAE. The third way is by hiring a lawyer or attorney to conduct a thorough check on your behalf. This is the best option if you are facing likelihood of an arrest warrant. If the court has issued arrest warrant on you and you do not know whether you're having a travel ban, it is important you hire a lawyer or an attorney to make a thorough check on your behalf. Also, this is the best option to check a travel ban if you are outside the UAE. Probably you have gone to the visa issuing center in your country and have your visa denied. You can hire someone who is in the UAE, a lawyer, to make a thorough check and find out if you have been banned from entering the UAE. The other option, this is still Dubai, the other option you can check if you have a travel ban is by visiting the Dubai police website. This is free of charge. You can visit the Dubai police website at dubaipolice.gov.ae. You visit the website, you select criminal status or financial case, and also follow the other prompts as required. Alternatively, download the smart app of Dubai Police. You can download the smart app, which is free of charge on both the Google Play Store and the App Store. You can download the app, launch the app, and provide your name and Emirates ID number and email address. The result will be sent direct to your email, and you will be asked to contact the nearest police station which is near you for further information. That application, I'll leave all links to this in the description below. You can also call the number 901, which is CID number, Criminal Investigating Department in Dubai, 901, and also make an inquiry. Alternatively, send an email to mail@dubaipolice.gov.ae. This is a free email that you can send an email with all your details, and in case there is a travel ban, you will be alerted and advised to head over to any Dubai police station along with your Emirates ID, passport copy, and a number of other documents as may be required. If your visa or your travel ban was issued by Dubai Emirate, those are the 4 ways that you can check whether you have a travel ban restricting you from entering, re-entering, or exiting. First of all, you can visit the police station in person, make an inquiry. Secondly, you can call the call center on numbers 8005-111, which is a toll-free number. You can hire a lawyer or attorney to conduct a thorough check on your behalf. You can also visit the website online, Dubai Police, or download the Dubai Police app, or call the number 901, or send an email, mail@dubaipolice.gov.ae. All these have been provided by the Dubai Police. If your visa or your travel ban was issued in any other Emirates, Dubai Abu Dhabi, or any other, so find out the Abu Dhabi and other Emirates. To avoid facing any issues at the immigration centers, it is important you check on time. You have to visit the Abu Dhabi Judicial Department, and make any inquiry. Download the application, which is called a Staff Cell e-Services. I'll leave a link in the description. You download the app, you launch the app, you provide your UID number, which is on your visa or on your any other documents. When you provide these details, you will have an email sent to you confirming with all the details regarding your travel ban, whether you have it or not. So these are the ways. For Abu Dhabi, it is only one. For Dubai, there are many. Abu Dhabi and other Emirates, you will only use the Estafsel e-services, or you will visit the website, the Judicial Department of Abu Dhabi, on their website. This is probably how you can check whether you have a travel ban placed against you in the UAE. Travel ban restricts you from either exiting, entering, or re-entering. Probably you were deported for one or two reasons and you would like to come back. These are the Before you plan your travel, either coming to the UAE or exiting, going back home, it is important you check any complaints that may be filed against you at the immigration. You try to solve them on time so that you avoid being delayed and missing your flight. Thank you for watching. This brings us to the end of this video. Kindly subscribe if you are new. If you are an old subscriber, I thank you for coming back, and you will get to learn a lot of information. If you are new, subscribe, like, share, comment, and you may comment in the comment section what you would like me to answer, or any video that you would like me to do for you. You will know a lot. And this brings us to the end of our video. Thank you for watching. If you didn't want to watch the previous video, I'll leave a link in the description to it. Watch it and let me know what you think about it. With all that, I want to thank you.